Hi guys, recently I have checked on Apple website a nice looking background clipping mask. So I will show you how we can create this without any plugin. So we will use just raw CSS to create this type of cool looking text clipping. So let's get started. So here is a heading. As you can see, I have a big heading in here. You can use heading 1, heading 2, or even in paragraph text. So that's very handy. I have set the text size a bigger size, as you can see, and color to black. The color doesn't matter. So what we need to do, we need to go to this advanced tab and add a CSS class. In my case, let's say it mask text, and then we need to go to this background and we need to set a image background. That image will clip to the text. So let's add a background and choose the image. Perfect. And let's set to position. You can set it any position and set the size to cover. Save it. So this is how it looks in our page. So let's add some CSS so that we can make it just like this one. I will also show you how we can animate this. So that's pretty cool. So first of all, if we inspect our heading, as you can see, there is a wrapper div called Elementor widget container. Okay, so we need to target that widget container first. So the class of our text was mask text. So let's add mask text and Elementor widget container, and we need to add a background clip property. So background clip, and it will be text. So the background clip property is limited to browser, so we will also use some browser prefix as well. So let me just copy paste. I have used browser prefix for WebKit, Moz and Opera as well. So let's save this and let's check how it looks. As you can see, our background now gone. Text is just like the previous. So now we need to target that h2 tag. If you use h1, that will be h1, and if you use paragraph, that will be the p tag as well. So let's target this h2 tag. And we need to set the color to transparent. Put an important tag as well. Click update. As you can see, our text clipping is looking awesome. So you can make it responsive by just from this Elementor panel, just increase or decrease the font size and maybe just reposition your background image. The responsive is very easy. Now I will show you how we can animate this like this one. So we need to add a CSS animation property. So let's add animation, then give it a name. Let's set a 10-second duration and linear for animation type, and let's set it infinite loop. Perfect. So now let's create this mask text animation, keyframe animation. So add keyframe, then the name, and here we will animate our background position. So the from position, we will set the background position to 0 pixel and center maybe, and we also need to set the to position, so 2, and let's make it a bigger value like 2000. So our background position will shift from 0 pixel to 2000 pixel. So let's save this. Now as you can see, our background is animating. So this is how we can create cool looking text clipping effect.